Hello everyone, my people. Una don't see this lady that gave birth to a child and use sack bag to carry the baby and close the sack bag very well so that this baby will not even breathe. I'm just coming back. I said, let me come out and do video. You are following me or you are going anytime, depending on the time you're going to see this post. I want to talk to you concerning children. Children are spirits, children are blood. And as long as you have blood that flow, once you sin against blood, it's not being forgiven. You do know what? Even your conscience will tell you that you have sinned against blood. You have see my baby. I know my baby is no longer there. I buy this baby. You will not forget it. Even when you want to forget, there will be a time you will have problem. You will remember this thing that you have done. Maybe this thing is the reason why I'm passing through what I'm passing today. If you're a young girl, you have made a mistake and you carry belle, you born the pikin. Thank you for giving birth to this child. Keep the baby alive. If you don't want anyone, keep that baby. Make sure you position this baby in someone's hand or someone's house where somebody will come out and pick this baby and train this baby, because you don't know who this baby will be tomorrow. Children are spirits. When you offend them, they will not leave you. You will not go unpunished. Sometimes there are some sin that some children, you do it when you don't even have sense. All these things comes out to hurt you. But I know that if you come across this video today, think about it. You don't carry belle. The man deny, say, hey, you don't want child. This is not ready. This and that. You are the mother. Your family have sent you out of the home. You are no longer in the house. You carry this belle 9 months, you give birth. You don't know what you'll be doing. You carry this pikin, package this pikin. There are people looking for children. Please drop this child in a place position this child in a place that someone will get the child. If in any way your mind, something is telling you leave this child, that you suffer, leave this child, please position this child in a way that someone else will take over and train this child. Because do you know, a lot of people training other people's children, see luxurious. See, God will be, the way God blesses the work of their hands. You don't know the secrets. But if you will accept and train that child in future, this child will be great. Why will I born a child after 9 months, after suffering, after labor? A mother? I know it's easy for a man to say no. Sometimes I watch some men, I hear what they are saying. If you are not yet ready to carry, to father a child, and someone have come with that child by force, and they will be ready to take their bola to be choking in woman body. Sometimes some of these people don't know that some of these girls have taken a lot of pills and these children refuse to go. Please, if you also a man, there is a lady you pregnanted, please don't deny your children. Don't allow your blood to be outside. It's not good. Accept this child. Accept the child. Train this child. You've made mistake. How can? Who is the father of that baby that lady put in the sack bag? The father have denied the child. A lot of fathers are doing this. A lot of our men are doing this.